This is just a diamond art accessory that I got off of Amazon. I really need to stop saying Amazon. I've been sick for a while, and it's just really hard to get it out of the chest area, I guess. This I just saw, I needed another container for the bigger diamond art paintings, and this was $6.99 on Amazon, and it came very nicely in this zip bag. So I got the box, the little divided containers. Excuse me. It came with 2 pouches to store things in. They're really sturdy. Obviously it looks cheapy, like stuff we used to get things in. Reminds me of something when I was a kid. We'd throw it away, but I guess it's alright. It's still a nice zip container. The zipper's nice pull on it. This is the second one, and in here there's over 1,000 stickers to put on the box for my drills. Yeah, that's really nice. I feel like this would last me a lifetime. Alright, so this was $6.99. No, it's not much. And I like it. I got what I needed. Just be good to put all like pins in and boats. And they're really nice and big. Nice and big. So that's something that I can use. If you like the video, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I will get with you later. Thanks for watching.